Hi everyone, this is Jalissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have two simple DIYs. If you're interested in seeing how I made them, keep watching. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you already haven't subscribed. And leave me a comment and let me know what you think. For this next DIY, you're going to want to get yourself some napkin rings from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using these brooches that I already had. And I'm going to be using this diamond wrap. This is from Hobby Lobby. And then my glue gun, glue sticks, and scissors. So I'm going to start by placing the rhinestone right in the middle. This has four lines, so I'm going to use the two in the middle. And I'm just going to wrap it. Until I have the whole thing wrapped. And it should look like this. Now I'm going to take the brooch I'm going to place some glue on the end over here. And then now I'm just going to place this right in the middle, the brooch right in the middle, and hold it until it dries. And this is the way the first one looks. Now, on this one, I'm not gonna put no diamond wrap around it. And I'm just gonna take my brooch, put glue on the end over here. And place it right in the middle. And hold it until it dries. So this is the second one. For the third one, I'm just going to place, since there's four lines here, one strip can cover two, so I'm going to place the strip right there to cover the first two lines. And I'm just going to go around the ring. Then I'm going to take the next strip and I'm going to do the same thing. Go around the ring. And this is the third one. Look how pretty. These are the ones that I already have. So I just wanted to make some that were affordable with using Dollar Tree items. And then I think they came out very pretty. So I made 3 styles. For this next DIY, you're gonna wanna get yourself some candles. I have these brooches here with the gold tone, and then this ribbon, scissors, glue gun, and glue stick. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap this ribbon around the candle. And then I'm gonna cut. So now I'm just gonna take a little bit of glue because I don't want the glue to melt the candle, so I'm gonna put a little bit at the end on the inside, just a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit on the edge over here. Then I'm gonna take this brooch very simple, but it makes a big difference.